welcome back. Wooden machinery worth over 40 lakhs was gutted in a fire at a sawmill in Verem on Sunday morning. Short circuit is said to have caused this fire. It took more than 5 hours for the fire brigade personnel to control the fire. Meanwhile, garbage at Kampal ground in Panji also caught fire. It's said to be under control.
This was the scene at Tali sawmill at Verem on Sunday morning. Wood worth lakhs of rupees has turned into ashes. Fire had started at around 3 in the morning and it soon engulfed most of the establishment. Timber and salwood has been destroyed in the fire along with the plywood stocked in the mill. Wood cutting machinery worth lakhs and the shed at the sawmill were also destroyed in the blaze. Smoke had engulfed most of the sawmill. Short circuit is said to have caused the fire. It took 8 firefighting vehicles to keep fire under control. Fire brigades from Mapsa, Panji and even from Bicholim were pressed into service.
आमच्या पणजी फायर कंट्रोल मधून मेसेज मेळ्ळी की वेऱ्या सॉमिलिंग उजो भेटलो ताबडतोब आमी म्हापशासून एक गाडी टर्नआउट केली आणि पणजीची टर्नआउट केली 2 गाडी टर्नआउट जाले उजो हिंगा पळयतकूच उजो व्हडलो आसलो ताका लागून आनी मागीर आमी म्हापशेची एक मागयली म्हापशेची 2 गाडयो आणि आमची पणजीची 3 गाडयो ताबडतोब टर्नआउट केलो उजो व्हडलो आसलो तिंगा लाकडां बिकडां भुसो कोळसो बी भरलेलो आसलो ताका लागून उजो भयंकर हे आलो मागीर आमी वॉटर पंप लायले दर्या समुद्राक वॉटर पंप लावन उजो आमी कंट्रोल केलो.
Loss due to this fire is estimated to be over 40 lakhs. Meanwhile, dry garbage at Kampal ground in Panji caught fire. It was brought under control after almost 4 hours. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Goa Retired Seamen Welfare Association has demanded to raise their pension from 200 rupees to 2,000 rupees. Delegation of association recently met South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia. Nonetheless, Sardinia has assured the seamen to take the matter to the union ministry.
The retired Goan seamen have been pressing to raise their pension amount. They met the South Goa MP Francisco Sardin.
Sardinan कारण दिगंबरा फोन मारला दिगंबरा को उलयलो तो आनी ताणें आमकां सांगितला दिगंबरान को उलयलो आपण मागीर सांगत म्हूण कितें उलयता तें 2000 अशें कोची म्हूण ताणें हें केलां आनी शांतारामानी सांगितला आपण सेंट्रला उलयत म्हणून हिंगा पार्लमेंटान आनी तोय मागीर कितक्यात ते सांगतो म्हणून.
Sardin says matter needs to be taken with the union ministry.
I have requested, but you know, things don't move that fast. Not only here, everywhere. As far as center is concerned, they have to make budget provision. That's what I told him. So now I'm going to, during session, I'll meet the minister and impress upon him that this matter is collecting dust for the last 7-8 months.
Earlier, another seaman association has threatened the government to protest on 19 December if their demands are not fulfilled. However, Goan Retired Seamen Welfare Association has made it clear that they will not back this agitation. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Governor K Shankar Narayanan has emphasized on upliftment of northeastern states. Governor visited Octave 2011 at Ravindra Bhavan on Friday. He has expressed the need of an economic and emotional integration with the northeastern states.
Governor K Shankar Narayanan was at Octave 2011 in Madgaon as a chief guest on the third day. He has stressed on new avenues and employment opportunities to the people of northeastern states.
I strongly feel that the process of emotional integration of the northeast with India will remain incomplete unless until we ensure economic integration at the region and its people with the country. We will have to create greater employment opportunities for the people of the Northeast in their respective regions. We will have to provide the people financial assistance to start self-employment initiatives, and we also have to enable them to take advantage of the markets available in the country and outside.
CM announced that IFFI opening ceremony might be held in an open space outside Ravindra Bhavan.
That don't pressurize me to give passes for opening ceremony of the International Film Festival because there the seats are extremely limited. We are trying to see whether we can host it outside so that problem gets solved. But if it is inside, then the seats are limited.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
The Goa State Cooperative Union will be celebrating its 58th Cooperative Week from Monday. The inaugural function will be held in Sattari Farmers Cooperative Society. The union has decided to honor outstanding persons for their contribution to the cooperative sector.
The Goa State Cooperative Union celebrates Cooperative Week every year. It will commence from 14th November and will go on till 20th November. The inaugural function will be held at Sattari by the Goa State Cooperative Union. The concluding function of the Cooperative Week will be organized at Sahakar Sankul in Panji.
पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरूचा बर्थडे जो स्टार्ट जाता तो 20 तारखेक सप्ताह 19 तारखेक इंदिरा गांधीची जयंती येता अशे प्रमाणे हो आमचो वर्षपद्धती प्रमाणे कॉपरेटिव्ह वीक आमी साजरो करतात आनी त्या कॉपरेटिव्ह विकाक पयले दिसाक जो आसा प्रोग्राम ते फ्लॅग होस्टिंग आसता आनी ते फ्लॅग होस्टिंग जे आसा ती सत्तरी तालुका फार्मर सोसायटी जी आसा आनी गोवा स्टेट कॉपरेटिव्ह बँक हांचे मार्फत आमी तो वायपय दवरलेलो आसा फर्स्ट डे.
The following awardees have been selected to be honored during the concluding ceremony of the Cooperative Week. They will be honored with a shawl, shreefal and a cheque of 5,000 rupees. A special issue of the magazine will also be released. Best Cooperator, Gurudas Saval. Best Chairman, Pratima Dond. Best Secretary, Deepak Surlakar. Best Society, East Kepe Consumer Cooperative Society. Certificate of Appreciation, Masodde Doodh Utpadak Sahakari Sanstha Limited. Our video journalist, Sushant Pal.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.